Hey guys, I was just going to show you how to use SPSS a little bit. So here's kind of an assignment I had that we have to do. So I'm just going to go into the table here in Word and I'm going to copy it. All right, and then I go back over to SPSS and I'm going to paste it. Now you see it pastes it just like it was in the table, and it's really all just one variable. So I can do the same thing again. I'm just going to copy, so Control X, Control V, copy and paste. Now I'm going to do the same thing again, Control X, Control V. And now I have all the variables in one column, and I don't need these other columns, so just click on it. Now I'm going to right click and I get the pop-up menu and I'm going to say clear. And I'm going to do that again, clear. I don't think it really matters, but we can anyway change the name of that variable. So we're in the data view here at the bottom. I'm going to click variable view. That was supposed to be grade equivalent scores. So I'm just on a reading test. So I'm just going to say reads SC, right, for the score, and I'm going to go back and hit enter. Then I just hit the data view. Okay, so now I need to get the mode, the median, and the mean. All right, so I have my data and I'm going to say analyze descriptive statistics. All right, and it doesn't seem necessarily to make a lot of sense maybe, but you can't get the mean, the median, and the mode all out of just descriptives if I go there. So see, if I put it in, I say that. So I move the variable over and I hit options. And see, I don't have median and mode here. All right, so I'm going to hit cancel on that. Now I'm going to go back and say analyze descriptive statistics frequencies. All right, so these reading scores are the ones I want to do. I don't actually need the frequency tables, so I'm going to unclick that. And then you can see right here, I need to get the mode, the median, and the mean. So I'm going to say statistics, and I'm going to click mean, median, and mode. But let's just say that I wanted to get the standard deviation. I can come down here, click to get that. I can get the minimum and the maximum, all right? And so I can say continue. And let's just say that I wanted to make a histogram too. So I clicked on charts, all right? And right now it's none. You can do a bar chart, a pie chart, a histogram, and I'm gonna do histograms. And I can either click or not click, select to show the normal curve on the histogram. And I'll say continue. Okay, so I selected to show the normal curve. I click OK. Now when I do that, the data output window pops right up for me. And so if I want to, what I can do is, if I want to copy this and put it in the Word document, I can just click on the box, right click, copy, all right? And then I could go over and paste it. I could do the same with my histogram as well. So you can see I got the mean, the median, and the mode. I know the standard deviation. I know the minimum and the maximum. And on my histogram, I have it's all plotted in bars there for me. And it put a normal curve on it. So you can see this is not a particularly normal curve, right? So we had a lot of studies here in between 2 and 4, which would be 3rd grade reading level, right? But then we have several up here on the high end on this right-hand tail. So, right? So that's just a little bit about how you would do some descriptive statistics and mean, median, and mode. And if you want to save that, you'll just click File, you'll click the Save, it looks like a disk, and then you can browse and save it wherever you want to. All right, and it'll save the output. You can save the data file as well. Hope that helps. Thanks.